Hey guys, today I have a PR haul for you, which I'm really excited about. So, let's just get into it because it's almost midnight and I've been filming for a couple of hours and I'm very tired, so. Okay, so first thing I have here is from Pixi Beauty, which I'm really excited about. Like, look how beautiful this packaging is. It looks a bit messed up at the moment because I've already filmed a TikTok with it, but. Okay, so this is their Botanical Collagen collection. So the first thing we have is the Botanical Collagen Toner, which looks like this, which I'm super excited about. And then we have the volumizing infusion sheet masks. So it comes with 3 of them, which once again, I'm very excited to try those. I do quite like sheet masks when I can be bothered using them, but these ones look really nice. So I'm very excited to try those. So it has hyaluronic acid, peptides, and botanical collagen. Then we have the Botanical Collagen Eye Serum, which I'm really excited about this because I've been using their like under eye brightener one, and I think it actually works really well. Like, it looks really nice. So this is the Botanical Collagen Eye Serum, volumizing eye serum. It says lightweight and quick absorbing. This rich serum helps hydrate and brighten, preserving youthful looking skin. And then the last thing that is in here is the Botanical Collagen Lip Gloss. It says enriched with botanical collagen, this volumizing and nourishing lip balm leaves a glossy finish. So it looks like that. It's really nice. So yeah, I'm super excited to try all of those. So thank you so much to Pixi for sending that over. It's such a cute package. Then we have something from Mercier. And I think this is like the sweetest thing ever. Like, when you open it, it says Happy Holidays Sophie, which I just think is so sweet. So they've sent me some of their things from their Love Holiday collection. So the first thing they sent over was the Party of 3 hand cream set. So it looks like this, and this is how the hand creams look there on the back. And it comes with almond coconut, I don't know how to say that, ambre, vanilla, and creme brulee. They sound really, really nice for hand creams, and they look so cute. I want to open it and have a look at them. So yeah, this is how they look there. I feel like they're really cute looking. I feel like that's such a sweet set for the like holidays. Like, that's so nice. And then the other thing they sent me was an artist gift brush collection. And that's how it looks there. Those are the brushes on the back. I'll open it up. So it comes with this super cute little like wallet, which I just think is so sweet. And then these little brushes there. God, they're so cute. I feel like that's so nice. So yeah, thank you so much, Mercier, for sending that over. I really appreciate it. And then I got a package from Benefit. And they wrote me this super cute little card. It says, "Merry Christmas, Sophie. Thank you for being a part of the Club Pink journey this year. Keep slaying the content. We love you," which is so sweet. Thank you so much, Benefit. And then they sent me over some products. So they sent me over the Professional Setting Spray, which I actually bought that when I was on holiday last, I'm pretty sure. And I have been really liking it. And then they sent me the brow micro filling pen, which is what I've been using lately on my brows, and I absolutely love it. It's what I've used today on them, and I think it's such an amazing product. Like, I absolutely love it. And then they also sent me the Goof Proof brow pencil. So yeah, that was just a super sweet little gift from them. So thank you so much, Benefit. The last brand to send me something was Royal Essence, and they sent over this Mermaid Kisses body scrub, and this smells so good. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's so fresh smelling. Does it have like... It says a reminiscent of a bouquet of flowers and enchanting blue lagoons. Notes of ocean mist blended together with lily of the valley and Camilla. Oh, it actually smells so good. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. Yeah, thank you so much to all of the brands for sending over these products. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.